Welcome me Learning Tech channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Lathe machine types. In this video I explain types of lathe. Types of lathe. Center lathe or engine lathe machine. Speed lathe machine. Capstan and turret lathe machine. Toolroom lathe machine. Bench lathe machine. Automatic lathe machine. Special lathe machine. CNC lathe machine. Center lathe or engine lathe machine. Center lathe or engine lathe machine. This is a type of lathe that is currently widely used and can perform operations such as turning, end face, grooving, knurling, and threading. The feed mechanism of the engine lathe can operate the cutting tool in both the longitudinal and lateral directions. Speed lathe machine. A speed lathe is a type of lathe that is designed to operate much faster than its common counterpart. These machines are generally only used for small tasks such as finishing an object or removing burrs left over from earlier manufacturing steps. Capstan and turret lathe machine. Capstan and turret lathes are the advancement of the engine lathes and center lathe, wherein the tailstock is replaced by a hexagonal turret tool head, having 6 different tools in the turret, where turret tool is rotate in each operation according to process requirement. Toolroom lathe machine. A toolroom lathe is a lathe optimized for toolroom work. It is essentially just a top-of-the-line center lathe, with all of the best optional features that may be omitted from less expensive models, such as a collar closer, taper attachment, and others. Bench lathe machine. Noun. 1. Bench lathe, lathe mounted on a workbench. Lathe, machine tool for shaping metal or wood. The workpiece turns about a horizontal axis against a fixed tool. Automatic lathe machine. In metalworking and woodworking, an automatic lathe is a lathe with an automatically controlled cutting process. Automatic lathes were first developed in the 1870s and were mechanically controlled. Special purpose lathes. As the name implies, these lathes are used for special purposes such as heavy-duty production of identical parts. In addition, these lathes also perform specific functions that cannot be performed by the standard lathes. CNC lathe machine. First, CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control and refers to a machine operated by a computer system. A CNC lathe is a machine tool where the material or part is held in place and rotated by the main spindle as the cutting tool that works on the material is mounted and moved on various axes.